The pros and cons of repairing a fire-damaged house. We at Fire Cash Buyers have created an easy checklist to know if rehabbing your fire-damaged home is a good idea for you. Please give us a like and subscribe for more videos like these. If you'd like to read the full article, the link is in the description. If you'd like to skip all the headache and sell your fire-damaged house as is for cash, we can give you a cash offer within 24 hours, pay all closing costs, deal with any code violations, and close fast in less than 21 days. Google us and check out our reviews. We have a 5-star rating on Google and an A+ rating on the Better Business Bureau. Let's get into it. Pros of repairing a fire-damaged house. 1. Retaining sentimental value. For many, a home is more than just a building. It's a treasure trove of memories. Repairing allows homeowners to preserve the emotional and sentimental value attached to their house. 2. Customization opportunities. Repairing offers homeowners a chance to redesign or remodel parts of their home. They can upgrade features, change layouts, or incorporate modern designs, essentially getting a renovated space out of a tragic event. 3. Maintaining property value. A well-restored home can maintain or even increase its market value, especially if upgrades are added during the repair process. 4. Familiarity. Staying in the same neighborhood, retaining the same address, and avoiding the hassles of house hunting and moving can be comforting and convenient for many homeowners. 5. Insurance coverage. Homeowners insurance might cover a significant portion of the repair costs, depending on the policy details, making the process financially feasible. Now for the cons of repairing a fire-damaged house, and please pay close attention. Hidden costs. While initial assessments might give homeowners an estimate, fire damage can often reveal more extensive problems over time, leading to unexpected repair costs. Time-consuming. The restoration process can be lengthy. Structural repairs, smoke damage cleanup, and interior refurbishment might take longer than anticipated, leaving homeowners displaced for extended periods. Health concerns. If not appropriately restored, lingering smoke particles and mold growth from water used to extinguish the fire can pose health risks. Decreased market value. Despite thorough repairs, future buyers might be cautious of a home with a history of significant fire damage, potentially impacting its resale value because it needs to be disclosed when you eventually sell the home. Emotional strain. Even after the repairs, the memory of the fire can be a constant source of stress and anxiety. Living in the same space where a traumatic event occurred can be emotionally challenging. Potential overcapitalization. Homeowners might spend more on repairs than the potential return on investment, especially if the house's market value doesn't increase proportionally. Deciding whether to repair a fire-damaged house is a complex process, requiring homeowners to weigh the emotional, financial, and practical aspects. For more, you can read the full article by visiting the link in the description below. If you are considering selling your fire-damaged house as is for cash, we'll give you an offer in 24 hours, pay all closing costs, deal with any code violations, and close in less than 21 days. Any questions, please leave your comments below and we'll be sure to get back to you quickly.